PMP Certification Series, Episode 2, Welcome to Agile Project Academy. Why do some projects succeed while others fail despite having skilled teams and sufficient budgets? The answer is project management. Many people think project management is only about creating plans or assigning tasks. In reality, it's much more. Whether you're developing software, constructing a building, or launching a product, project management brings people, processes, and resources together to achieve a common objective. If you're preparing for the PMP certification, this is one of the most important concepts because every PMP topic builds on it. According to the Project Management Institute, PMI, project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet project requirements. In simple words, project management is the process of planning, organizing, executing, monitoring, controlling, and closing a project successfully. Its purpose isn't just to finish the work, but to deliver value while balancing scope, schedule, cost, quality, risks, resources, and stakeholder expectations. Let's break down the PMI definition. Knowledge means understanding project management areas such as scope, schedule, cost, quality, risk, and stakeholder management. Skills include communication, leadership, negotiation, conflict resolution, problem solving, and decision making. A project manager spends as much time managing people as managing the project. Tools like Jira, Azure DevOps, Microsoft Project, Trello, Gantt charts, and Kanban boards help teams plan, track, and monitor project progress. Techniques such as work breakdown structure, critical path method, risk analysis, brainstorming, planning poker, and Moscow prioritization improve planning and decision making. Now let's understand why project management is important. Imagine constructing a hospital without proper planning. Teams don't know their responsibilities, materials arrive late, costs increase, deadlines slip, and quality suffers. Good project management avoids these problems by providing clear direction, managing risks, improving communication, controlling budgets, and ensuring timely delivery. Ultimately, the goal isn't just to complete a project, but to achieve the expected business outcome. A key PMP concept is the triple constraint, which includes scope, schedule, and cost. These three are closely connected. If the project scope increases, you'll usually need more time, a larger budget, or additional resources. If the budget is reduced, you may have to reduce the scope or extend the timeline. Balancing these constraints is one of the core responsibilities of every project manager. Every project also passes through 5 process groups: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and controlling, and closing. We'll study each of these in detail later in this series. Here's a simple example. Suppose you're organizing a wedding. You need to book the venue, arrange catering, hire photographers, manage decorations, control the budget, and ensure everything happens on time. If one vendor is delayed, many other activities are affected. Someone has to coordinate everything and keep the event on track. That's exactly what project management is. Whether it's a wedding, a software project, or a billion-dollar construction project, the principles remain the same. Here's a PMP exam tip. Modern project management isn't about controlling people. It's about leading teams, collaborating with stakeholders, managing uncertainty, and delivering value. Always keep this mindset while preparing for the PMP exam. Let's recap today's lesson. Project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to meet project requirements. It helps organizations deliver successful projects by balancing scope, schedule, cost, quality, risks, and stakeholder expectations. The ultimate objective is to deliver value, not just complete tasks. In the next episode, we'll learn who is a project manager, roles, responsibilities, and essential skills. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Agile Project Academy for the complete PMP certification series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.